Christmas, all the happy smile.
Good morning, everyone.
Hi.
Another day, another Vlogmas. Where are we going, Jason?
To the beach.
We're going to the beach. We're going to go to Clifton, yeah? We're going to go to Clifton, but we'll see how the wind is. Otherwise, we might go somewhere else. So, yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah.
No, you're not. He doesn't like the beach as much as I do. So, but we got the sunscreen on and everything.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all...
Are you excited we're at the beach?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright.
It's so hot here. Yeah, but it's so beautiful. Look at that. Yeah.
Lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing?
So pretty. So nice. Summer is officially here in Cape Town. Dude.
Yeah.
Hi. Are you tanning? No, you're
Tanning.
he just likes to be in the shade.
Come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
So we are, like I mentioned, at Clifton. I think it's second or third beach. I'm not sure. There's not a lot of people here, which is great. And the wave is amazing because where we are from, the wind is like hectic. Like there's no wind, so it's nice. As you can see, the ocean's like calm, and yeah, I'm just catching, I don't know, a tan. And then we usually don't stay too long. I mean, I don't know what's the time now. I think it's like 10. So we might stay till like, I don't know, like 12 or 1. And then maybe go have lunch somewhere or just go home or whatever. Usually we're quite tired after the session at the beach. said we don't feel like doing anything else. But yeah, this is kind of like our setup and what we do. Jason doesn't like it that much because he gets bored. But I like it, so he does it for me.
Something from the chimney. I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow.
Okay. So we're done at the beach. It's hot. It's very hot. But yeah, so we're done now. I think we're gonna go see if we can get something to eat, maybe to drink. Maybe we'll just make some nice apple spritz at home. And yeah, that's what we do every December. Holiday season, we come to the beach. Why you pull your face? That is what we do. Hey?
Yeah, you just said it in like a strange way.
Oh, okay. Anyway, I didn't mean it in a strange way. I just meant it in a, that's what we like to do every December. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the Vlogmas episode. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Tell me one thing. Is there anything